what to do, chart. I want to talk about how I find setups in the forex market. Stay to the end, watch, subscribe, and like. Okay, let's get into it.
I want to do some weekly analysis, check the chat for the week ahead. So, first thing I do is just open a chart, and what we're seeing here is a clear downtrend on the weekly time frame. And how do I know it's a downtrend? For the people that are pretty new to forex trading, the market was going up from here, making higher lows and higher high, higher low, higher high. Then he broke down this last slowly here. The moment it does that, the trend has changed direction from an uptrend to a downtrend. So it comes here, boom, comes up here, right? So this is a strong rejection on the weekly time frame. If we head out to the daily time frame, we'll see that there are candles. That this week, this rejection are candles, right? You see that soon. So this is a equal high. I call it equal high, right? Because the price has not moved above here, we are still in downtrend. And then to make matters worse, it breaks down the structure and then meets another lower low. Then it comes to a place of rest, which is known as a support. And then so we expect it due to this pattern that we are seeing that the trend is going to continue and go down here. So take our profits somewhere around here. Or I like to take my profits here, right? So this is what we have. So let's come in. Clear. So now let's draw our key zones or our major levels. We have this um support resistance here because you see that that price has bounced off those region a couple of times, and this is the first time since price broke through it that is going to act as a resistance. This is called a break and retest strategy, right? This is a simple book definition of a break and retest. This is a simple book definition of a downtrend, right? I love setups like this that are text boost, just text book definitions, right? So this is a support and resistance because right now it's acting as a resistance, but before it had acted as a support. So now we understand what the price is trying to do. If we even look at our 24 EMA, the price is just below the EMA, the moving average. So now I'm expecting price to move from here, and this is, let's mark our weekly low. So price has shown this rejection here, and price also rejected here. This is this is a an inverted armor. So now let's go to the weekly time frame since we have established our trend as downtrend on a weekly time frame. So I'm just gonna put it here, weekly time frame downtrend. So we need like two time frames to be downtrend in order to have a directional bias. So now we'll go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we see that the price was going up from here. It was going up from here to here, downtrend. But now we see a break of structure, or what people call a change of character here. Normally, I was supposed to take this trade somewhere around here or here, but I missed out on it because I was on another trade. So this week, I'm looking forward to taking a position on this trade. So, right, this is what we have, that this was a clear uptrend and it broke through it. So, this shows me that price is ready to move. This is the kind of setup I love. I love it. So, let's go for hours time frame. So, like I said, now Since I got my signal from the weekly time frame, I have to go to daily time frame to get the execution, and 4 hour to look for entries. The only reason why I'll be going to 15 minutes or 30 minutes is to just get a clearer picture of the tiny details that is missing out on the 4 hour, or that has been missed on the 4 hours. So normally I was supposed to enter the trade from here, right? Somewhere around the action, because it broke this. This is what we call the fifth wave B entry, because the fifth wave ended here, and then it moved like this. This is A, B, C, and this is D, right? So normally I could have taken it straight from here if I saw the opportunity on time. Put it here, take my profits here. That would have been the first trade. Then I would have placed another one here, put it above here for the signal that's seen on the weekly time frame. Then I'll place it here, right? So this should have been my two positions on this pair. But since I've already missed out on a whole lot, I've missed out on entries on 4 hour, I've missed out on daily, I've missed out on weekly. No, I've not missed out on weekly, because I could have decided to still take it here when the market opens today at night. Oh my god. I can still do this and put my stop loss here, just double here, and then do what? Go here. This should be clear. 1:2. You feel me? I can still do this too, but I'd rather wait, because I like when my risk is very small. Like I like when I can set, or I can enter from the very beginning. I want every bit of juice in the juice, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So now what I'm trying to say is we can enter base of the weekly time frame. Put it here, put it here. Because normally prices are supposed to come to the ending of this place because of this bearish divergence here. You're just supposed to do this like this. So I'm expecting price to get here. So forgive me if you cannot really hear me very well. This is my humble beginning. Okay. I'm using my neighbor's um headphone or microphone, because this laptop is shitty. I gotta use it. It's not even my laptop, it's my brother's laptop, and I'm insulting it. My laptop is even worse. I'm using MacBook, Big Sur OS. So this is USD card. Right, let's analyze this chart. It's not every time I trade that I look at the directional bias. For me, I would say this is an uptrend. Price now started stalling in between the swing high and the swing low. So this is the range that price is currently trading. So you have to look for the opportunity within that range. So now some people will look at the chart this way. This is daily time frame, right? What is the trend? The trend for me on the daily time frame is a downtrend. It's a downtrend, yeah. The reason why it's a downtrend is because it broke here, then this move broke it. It became a downtrend here when it did this, because this is the last structural low. So most times, if the market really wants to make a particular move and it wants to do it desperately, it will do what we call a reinforcement of that area. It will come back again, because it wants you to notice it, the direction that the price is going. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. So right now, I'm not even trading based on the directional bias anymore, because the market self is dribbling me, and I want to use break and retest strategy and just take the little juice I can get from the market. So now, to analyze this chart, I just tell myself, you know what? I don't want to do too much. If I can see an opportunity where price goes up and come back down to retest this place, I will take it from here and I will take out from here. Simple. So that's my own USD card strategy. I need the price to go up, come back and retest. That's only when I'll be interested in buying. Alright, guys. Me, I'm tired of talking. So till we meet again. Peace out.